what's up guys, Felix here. Today I wanted to make this quick video to show you where the spare tire is on a 2005 all the way to 2010 Honda Odyssey. Now a lot of people will think that the spare tire is underneath the car, like maybe underneath here, but it's not. Now some people think it's underneath here, but no, this is just a storage compartment. Now the way to find the spare tire, you gotta open the trunk, move this a little bit. You have to press this button right here and just pull right here, and the spare tire is right here. So it's on the driver's side all the way in the back. You should find the spare tire right here. To put it back, just follow the same instructions backwards, and then the jack will be right here. So alright guys, this is just a quick video to show you where the spare tire is located on a 2005 all the way to 2010 Honda Odyssey. If this video helped you, please don't forget to leave a like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know if you need, if you have some questions of other cars, and I'll try my best to help you. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.